Okay, what do you need to know about credits? 1, you need 24 to graduate. 2, you need 5 in order to move on and be a sophomore next year. And you also need to know how to earn credits. Passing your classes is how you earn credits. It is your final semester grades, not your quarter grades, that determine if you've passed a class and therefore if you've earned a credit. So the report card that you just recently got, those are just your quarter grades. Those aren't your final semester grades. You still have this quarter and your exams before we know what your final semester grades are. This shows you how those final grades are calculated. So for most classes, each quarter, so first 9 weeks and second 9 weeks, are worth 37.5% of your grade. And then your semester exam is worth 25% of your grade. For any EOC classes that you're in, Algebra 1, Biology, Geometry, Algebra 2, first and second quarter are worth 35% of your final grade, and the semester exam is worth 30%. Same thing for second semester, third and fourth quarter, and then your semester exam are how your final semester grades are determined. So once you know that, then you can look at our chart here to help you figure out what your final grades might be. We have this for you in your I can get it clear. We have this in your handbook, and it's also in your student handbook. And you can see all the different grade combinations and what the final semester grade would be based on the 2 quarter grades and the semester exam. This side shows you for EOC classes, since the exams are worth more. The chart's a little different. So you can use this to help predict what you need to get. So let's say, for example, your goal is to get an A in algebra for the semester, but you got a B last quarter. So you can look on here and you can see that if you were to get an A this quarter and an A on the exam, you can still end the semester with an A even though you got a B last quarter. So depending on what your goals are, you can look on here and figure out what you need to shoot for this quarter and on the exam. So remember that you need to pass your classes, and you will earn a half a credit for each class that you're in each semester. So for this semester, you're most likely in 7 courses here at school, so you would earn 3.5 credits if you pass all of your classes. By the end of the year, you should have 7. Some of you may have more because you may have come from 8th grade with some credits, most likely algebra, biology, physical science, maybe Spanish. Some of you may have taken online classes, so there's other ways to be earning credits, but here in school you will probably get 7 if you're a full-time student. So remember, 5 credits to be a sophomore next year, 24 to graduate.